Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be creating a look using this palette from Violet Voss. It is called Olive You Forever, which I received in this month's Boxycharm box. This palette retails for $34 and this is the outer packaging of this palette. And this is the actual packaging of this palette. Of course, this has cardboard packaging and also it comes with a mirror. Then these are the shades that we are getting in this palette. It comes with 6 matte shades and 6 shimmer shades. These are the swatches of matte shadows and these are the swatches of shimmer shadows. Now let's begin the tutorial. I'm priming my eyelids using my Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas eyeshadow base in the shade medium to cover up some pigmentation on my eyes. Then first I'm gonna pick up this shade called Charmed and I'm gonna pack this color on the outer and inner part of my eyelid as well as in my crease. I'm gonna leave the space on the center since we are going for halo eye look today. I'm using a small blending brush from Elf Cosmetics and this just helps to pack the matte shadow really well. I'm using the shade Endless Desire to blend out this shade into my upper crease using a big fluffy blending brush, and this brush is from Morphe. Then I'm picking up this black matte shadow called Infinity and applying this shade only on the very outer part and very inner part of my eyelid to add some depth and smokiness to the look. Then again I'm going back in with the shade Charmed one more time and I'm gonna pack this color again on top of the black matte shadow just to make sure that the two shades are blended well. Now I'm going in with the brush where I used initially to apply my primer and I'm applying this only on the center of my lid with whatever left on the brush. And now I'm applying the shade Olive Glow using my finger right on the center of my eyelid. I'm keeping this shade only on the center. Then I'm gonna go with this shade called Leave Me. I'm applying this shade on the edges of the green shade that we just placed. Then I'm gonna create a winged liner. I'm using Maybelline eyeliner here. I'm gonna create a very thin winged liner. Then I applied my falsies. For my waterline, I'm going in with CoverGirl Kohl Exhibitionist pencil in the color charcoal. And then I'm going in with the shade Infatuated on my lower lash line. And now I'm applying the shade Juicy on the inner and outer part of my lower lash line. Then for the center of my lower lash line, I'm going in with the shade Olive Glow right on the center. And then to highlight my inner corners, I'm applying Major Spotlight Shadow. Alright, this is the finished look, you guys. Coming to the palette, the matte shadows were so pigmented, but they were so hard to blend, and especially the black and the brown shadows, they were a little patchy as well. It took a long time for me to blend. And coming to the shimmers, they were okay, they didn't really wow me. They are not like super metallic or anything, and I definitely noticed followed with the matte and the shimmer shades. Overall, the color scheme is really nice, but the shadow quality weren't that impressive for me. I have tried some other palettes from Violet Voss and I really like them, but I don't know what's wrong with this one. I really don't like this palette. I love the color scheme, but the shadows are not that great. For $34, of course you can buy a good color pop palette, which is much bigger and which works really well in my opinion. Especially this palette, the shadows quality are not really great. And that completes this review, guys. Definitely it's not my favorite, but if you have this palette and if you want me to create more looks, definitely I will do it for you. Just let me know in the comment section. And that completes this video, guys. Thank you all so much for your love and support. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.